crafty friends. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend to you, Whitney.
Yes, you too.
I am excited about today. We have been looking forward to this occasion for a while. It's marked with a little bit of excitement and a little bittersweet, right?
I know. Yeah.
So today we are here to tell you about our final card making kit of 2025. It's been quite a year of fun card making kits. And we are really excited about this one. So in November, you guys know what happens at the end of November. It's Thanksgiving.
Yes.
And typically our Black Friday sales. And so we don't have a kit happening at the end of November. And then the end of December, we're all in post-Christmas crazy.
Yes, getting ready.
Or pre-Christmas crazy whenever it lands. So we are not having a card making kit in December either. So that means October, this month, is our last one. So I'm excited to share it.
We hit it out of the park. I just have to say, give us a little pat on the back. This one, you're definitely going to want to get.
Yes, I know. And really it comes with kind of a purpose. And one of the things I love to do at the holidays is to give handmade cards that other people can then send. I was just telling Whitney, that's what I used to do before she started working here and making her own cards. I used to make her sets of cards for Christmas. And
you did. And if you guys want to see what she made me, there's actually a YouTube video way back when, and she talks about how she's making this set of cards for her sister.
Yes.
And I remember receiving it and sending those cards out. They're so beautiful. So I know that even non-card makers really appreciate that thought and the effort you guys put into your cards. So
yeah, so it makes a great holiday gift. And that's kind of the premise behind this kit, that we want you to make sets of cards and be able to gift those to others for the holiday season.
Yes.
But guess what? It's versatile, and it's going to be something you reach for all year long, not just this time of year. So should we get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look then at our final kit. It is called Timeless Blooms, and it features a brand new Create and Quad stencil.
Oh my!
So we love our quads, and those of you who have used them, you know that our quads are specifically pretty perfect for mass producing cards, for gifting a set of coordinated cards, and so it's the perfect way to kind of use these products. So we have Timeless Blooms, our little pouch sticker on our Velcro pouch. All of your kit elements will come packaged in that. And then, as I mentioned, the star of the show, we have our Timeless Blooms Create and Quads layering stencil. So this is a 5-layer stencil, and you get these beautiful blooms and leaves. I just love a good floral, and these big florals give you lots of opportunity for that dimensional blending and shading, and lots of other fun things. You could add pencil accents to these to really add depth and dimension as well. So that is the stencil. And then we have a fun new stamp set. This is called Together in Type. It's a stamp and die combo. And the reason it's called Together in Type is because all of the sentiments are connected together. This is another one of the things we love to do when we mass produce, is create a sentiment set that gives you all the sentiments in one stamp and then a die to cut them all at the same time. So that makes it easy for you and also fun for your recipient. If you want to just include all of the sentiments and they can pop them on the cards that you've made, put a little bit of tape on the back, a little bit of foam tape that they can peel off, and just decide what they need in that particular moment. So that is part of the kit, Together in Type Stamp and Die Combo. And then we are debuting a brand new embellishment in this kit. We have our glitter drops, which you know and love, but this color is called Rose.
These are so pretty in person.
It is beautiful. It has a warmth to it that not quite gold. I would call it, we called them rose, but it is kind of more of a rosy hue, like our rose water cardstock in a glitter drop. Or if you think about it like a rose gold, it matches with our rose gold foil really well as well. You do get a small pot of these glitter drops in the kit. And then a couple last things. We have our Timeless Blooms Insider panels. So some really nice sentiments that also coordinate with the sentiments that are in the stamp set. There's praying for peace and strength during this difficult time. Yours is a love story worth rereading every year. Isn't that sweet? That goes with the happy anniversary sentiment. And just one more I'll read for you. You made my day, and I am so grateful for you. So
I love that.
Some really great sentiments in this. If you're not familiar with the insiders, we pre-print those in toner so you can foil them. And they're designed and sized to fit on the inside of your cards to make it really easy to make the inside look just as finished and polished and pretty as the outside. So a couple last things. We have our tailored tutorial, and Susan created this set of beautiful cards, and you get the instructions and all of the supplies that she used to create those along with the pictures. So that will be in your kit. And then I don't have it here in front of me, but we have our Pinterest gallery insert so that you can easily scan the QR code and find your way to a gallery of projects using this kit. So that is what you can find in your Timeless Blooms kit.
So many good things.
Let's talk about some of the extras then that you can purchase separately. So if you do love to foil, you may want to grab the Foil It Timeless Blooms.
Man, I'm so excited about the Foil It.
These are gorgeous. I love how this design kind of creates an outline for the different florals and leaves in the set. And then this one actually gives some more, larger pieces of foil. So not outlining any of the images, but kind of replacing the stems and the items on one of the layers. So both of these are really beautiful when foiled and combined with the stencil. So they have the alignment squares on them as well that you can line up with the stencil. All right, then we also have a Foil It for the sentiment set that comes in the kit. So that die that comes with the stamp and die combo will work perfectly to cut out the Foil It for the Together in Type sentiments. So if you like to foil, you can grab that as well. And then a couple last things. We have our Timeless Blooms envelope seals. This is perfect, especially if you're gifting a set of these. You can include coordinating envelopes and coordinating seals. Here's what those two designs look like.
So pretty.
Very pretty. They have kind of a foiled appearance to the printed sticker, which just gives them that notch of elegance. I love that. And then last, we already talked about these, but we do have additional bottles of the rose glitter drops. So you get that kind of small sampler pot. And if you want to grab more, you can grab them in our Bits and Pieces bottles for rose glitter drops. So I think you're going to be blown away by the samples.
I know.
So are you ready to get to the samples?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's show Susan's first.
Okay.
The ones from the tailored tutorial. And I think they are, right here on top. Look at this gorgeous set. Some of our newer inks, papaya, persimmon, and rosewater.
Love those
on
colors.
Those. I know. And she incorporated so many fun details into this by kind of die cutting out portions of the cards. She doubled up her vellum here to give it kind of a different, unique appearance. And I think that's a fun challenge with all of the quads, is to find different things to use as layers, different stacklet sets, how to cut them in fun and unique ways. So there's that beautiful set from Susan. Let's take a look at the one that we're going to be creating on the live on Tuesday. So you'll want to tune in. This is the project that I'll be making on Tuesday, and I wanted to give you some ideas for maybe using the panels for something other than a card.
Ooh.
So I'm going to show you how to use one of the panels to create 2 bookmarks, which would be really fun to include as a little extra or a gift to go along with the set of cards. So you guys...
These colors are so vibrant, Taylor.
I used purple. Wow! I know. I'm gonna pat myself on the back for that. But
good job, you.
I just love all the details included in this set, and I'm excited to share them with you with all of the kind of fine line script in the background. I splattered. I added glitter drops. The sentiments are foiled. So this is a fun set to work with, and you get to try lots of different things to kind of dress up the different panels. Okay, let's take a look at the ones Jill created. And she's got a set of 2 here, and I love her color combination. I wonder if she wrote it on the inside for us.
It's very soft.
It is. Okay, I'm going to let you guys see that. There's Jill's color combination. Rosewater, peaches, papaya, persimmon, banana cream pie, and sweet corn. Look at how pretty that is. I love those colors together. And then she's got her pretty sentiments with some twine, even some vellum accents, and of course Jill's signature stitching as well. So pretty. Let's take a look at Sue's cards. And Sue went a unique direction by creating 5x7 cards using the A2 panels, which I think is a really fun way to make this a little bit different. So here's one. I love this beautiful arch that she cut into the front, and you can see that she used the foilet panel as well on that design. And then here's this one. Sentiment has its own little space at the bottom. When I talked to Sue about this, she said, I just had trouble covering up any of the panel, any of the beautiful blended design. And so making these into 5x7 cards allows you to see the full design. And then this one, I love that layout. She's done this layout a couple of times with an insider off to the side and then that beautiful panel on the opposite side. And then here it is, kind of similar idea with the panel layout on the left and one of our insider panels used as the sentiment.
I love the foils she used here too. It looks like it's rose gold, and on the other ones, maybe
green. Yeah, one of our greens. It does look like the lime green,
zest.
Lime zest. Yeah, so pretty. So yes, if you are loving the 5x7 cards, you can turn these A2 panels into some really fun 5x7s. Okay, another set from Susan. So she'll be live later this week as well, creating some unique shaped cards and also using the foilet.
Ooh.
So she used a couple different foils as well. I'll let her tell you all about that, but she wanted to give you guys a couple of ideas of different foils that looked good with this same color combination that she's using. And I love the idea of shaped cards. So turning those panels, I know, and piercing on the background. Lots of fun little elements incorporated in this set of cards that Susan will be creating live later this week. And then last but not least, we have one more set from Sue, and this one does follow the traditional A2 size with these panels. I love the bright, vibrant kind of reddish orange combo that she went with here. So I'll flip through these. Look at that cute little fence at the bottom with the flowers and all of her little, these are our foil drops actually that go really nicely with that color combination that she chose. These are also foiled, and this looks like champagne foil to me. I love how she cut this apart and sort of created that triptych look in the background. And again, this is a technique that we often call spotlighting, where you cut out a main focal image and pop it up out of the rest of it and kind of spotlight that piece. So super fun.
So many gorgeous cards.
Lots and lots of inspiration. And you're going to get more from the design team as they share their projects with you on their own blogs. Okay, so let's come back to everybody and we're going to say farewell for today. Hopefully you enjoyed our sneak peek, and you will be able to purchase these products on Tuesday starting at 9 a.m. Central Time. And then we'll be live again at 10 o'clock. So make sure you tune in. You'll get to see that purpley project I'll be making on Tuesday. And then as I mentioned, Susan will be live on Thursday next week. So it's going to be another fun week at TE. We
so
hope
much
to
inspiration.
See you there. Yes. All right, everybody. Thanks. Have a good rest of your weekend.
Happy
Bye.
Saturday.